How to make voice calls on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll all the way down and tap on the WhatsApp application. Toggle on the microphone option from this page. Now go back and close the app. Then open WhatsApp application on your phone. You will be taken to this page where you can view your chats. Open any chat from the list. Once you're in the chat, tap on the call icon at the top right corner of your screen. It will place the call to that person. If they're connected to their internet, WhatsApp will show ringing just below their name. Once they pick up, you can carry on with the conversation over a voice call. You will see some features on the bottom panel to mute the call or put the call on speaker. Once you're done talking, you can hang up the call by tapping on that red button at the very bottom. So, by following these steps, you can make voice calls on WhatsApp.